Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we are going to discuss Relaxo footwear stock. And the reason I am making today's video is because I am finding a very good opportunity here in this stock. So that's why I am making today's video. So let's discuss this stock now. Let's go to screener.in. But before that, I am also available on Twitter. If you haven't followed me, you can follow me here. The handle is shown here. You can follow on Twitter also. So let's come on screener.in, and this is Relaxo Footwear's limited stock. Its market cap is 19,500 crores. The ROCE, that is return on capital employed, is 17.6%. The debt to equity ratio, which shows the debt on the company, is 0.10. It means that only 10% is debt and the remaining is the owner's money. Also, if we see the promoters holding here, then it is given 71%. It shows the shares are held within the management and it is closely held within the company. So we can say the retailers are out of this company and it is within the strong hands only. Now let's go to quarterly results. The quarterly results, if we see, then we can see the sales and as well as the net profit. There is a consistency maintained throughout the quarters. In every quarter the sale is maintained. In none of the quarters the sales has declined much. So we can say there is a consistency, and also the sales is growing every quarter also. If we see the profit and loss statement, then sales, which were only 676 crores in 2011 March, it has grown up to 2716 crores. So this is a good growth in sales. Also the net profit, which was only 27 crores in 2011, it has grown up to 233 crores in March 2022. So we can see the growth is superb in this company. Now if we see the balance sheet, we can see the reserves in September 2022. The reserves are 1738 crores, and against this the borrowings are only 178 crores. So we can see the company is having sufficient reserves and the borrowings are very less in comparison. If we see the fixed assets, then it is 1117 crores. So we can see the company is having strong assets and the borrowings are negligible. So we can see the company is performing very good. Now if we see the shareholding pattern, we can see the promoters are having, in December 2022 they are having 71%. FII and DIIs combining together, they are having 10% of the company, and in public, out of 18%, almost 10% is owned by VLS. So the retailers are having only 18 minus 10, that is 8% of the company. So after seeing the shareholding pattern, we can see the company is held within the strong hands only. Now after discussing all these fundamentals, we can clearly say the company is a good performer. It has consistent results. The profit and loss statement is very good. Net profit is consistent. Borrowings are negligible. Reserves are good. Fixed assets are increasing every year. Also the shareholding pattern, it is very good. So we have discussed the fundamentals, which are awesome. Now we have to go to technicals, for which we are going to tradingview.com. This is the trading view and the technical chart pattern of Relaxo footwears. So this is the daily chart pattern. We can see the current market price is 786 rupees. So let's discuss what was the lifetime high made by this company. And if we see, the lifetime high was made as on 3 November 2021 around the level of 1446 rupees. So we can see the stock prices trading at almost half of what was the lifetime high. That, yeah, this is 45% down from the lifetime high. So we can see it is a market leading company. Now this dark black line which I have plotted, this is the 200-day moving average. So this is trading very below this moving average. So we can see the opportunity is very huge here. If we see the past record of this share, then we can see it was listed in year 2011 and almost around 14-15 rupees. If we see the year wise growth of this company, then we can see it has consistently grown. it has shown dips also, but it has consistently grown throughout the years. We can see the rally here, only 15-16 rupees share, it has grown up to, we can see the lifetime high. If we see on a shorter chart, then we can see the lifetime high was made 1446 rupees from 15 rupees only. If we see on weekly chart pattern, then we can clearly see the growth. If we measure the percentage gain, then from the initial price to the lifetime high, this is 8772% gain. So we can see over these years it has grown up to 87 times. This share has gone up. So there is no doubt about the company, because we have seen the past record of this also. Now if we come to the daily chart pattern, then the lifetime high, that was 1446 and the current price 786. If we see the potential gain from current price to the lifetime high, then it is almost 83% gain. Now 83% gain is a very good gain, and if it takes 2 years to achieve this target, then it is a very good gain. Also, if we talk about the short term target, then we can see this level around 1100 rupees. From this level the stock price had started falling. So if we measure the potential gain from the current price, then the medium term target is coming out almost 40% gain. So we have seen a long term target for around 2 years, and this is the maximum I'm talking about, 83% gain. That is the lifetime high of 1446 rupees, and a medium term target which can be achieved within a year or less, that is 40% gain, from which it has started falling. If we see, yeah, this is the level from which it had started falling. This is the level of 1100 rupees, 40% gain from the current price 786. So these are the two targets which we have discussed. One is the long term and the medium term target. We have discussed the past track record of the company. There is no doubt about this. A 15 rupees share has gone up to 1100 rupees, or 1400 rupees. So there is no doubt in the company. We have discussed the fundamentals also. So the company is leading manufacturing company in footwear. Okay, so we have discussed everything, but there is a disclaimer from my side that this is an educational video only. All the buying and selling, you have to first of all consult your financial advice before taking any decision. This is an educational video only. So yeah, this is it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and share this channel with your friends. Also subscribe if you haven't. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day.